In this video, I'm gonna show you how to sign in as a different user in Gmail. So firstly, you need to click on your Gmail profile icon, then click on add another account. In here, you need to type your email or phone number, another one which you want to change. Then click on next. Now enter your password. Then click on next. So that's it, friends. By this easy method, we can know how to sign in Gmail as a different user. Now we have two Gmail user. This is the primary and this is a second one. So hopefully, friends, you like this video, and by this quick method we can know how to sign in as a different user in Gmail. Just you need to click on your profile icon and click on add another account and type your email address, then password. And if you want to remove any email address, so just click on that account and click on sign out of all accounts. Then click on continue. Now in here, remove any account which you don't want to use. Like in my case, I don't want to use this one. So click on remove an account and select from these both Gmail user account. In case you don't want to use this one, so select it and click on yes remove. That's it. So hopefully, friends, you like this video. Thanks for watching.